This is my cup for my cat, and my name is Kage.
And then I made this because it's got zombies. And I made this because it's cute. This is a surprise for my mom and dad, and this is also a surprise. I'm going to plant a beautiful flower, and my name is Oza.
And my name is Evie.
And my name is Wendy. I try to make flowers right here. I'm Cheyenne.
First, we have to put soil in there.